Hey, explorers! Welcome back to Global Footsteps with Sanul. Today, we are uncovering the top 10 miracles around the world. From natural wonders to architectural marvels, these incredible sights will leave you in awe. Let's dive in. 1. The Great Wall of China, China, host with footage of the Great Wall. Our journey begins with the Great Wall of China. Stretching over 13,000 miles, this ancient structure is a testament to human ingenuity and perseverance. Built to protect against invasions, it's an iconic symbol of China's rich history. 2. Aurora Borealis, Northern Lights, Arctic regions, host with footage of the Northern Lights. Next, we have the mesmerizing Aurora Borealis. This natural light display, seen in Arctic regions, is caused by solar winds interacting with the Earth's magnetosphere. The result? Stunning, colorful lights dancing across the night sky. 3. Machu Picchu, Peru, host with footage of Machu Picchu. High in the Andes Mountains lies Machu Picchu, an ancient Incan city. Known as the lost city of the Incas, it's famed for its sophisticated architecture and breathtaking views. Cut to sweeping shots of Machu Picchu. 4. Grand Canyon, USA, host with footage of the Grand Canyon. The Grand Canyon in the USA is a geological wonder carved by the Colorado River over millions of years. Its vastness, intricate rock formations, and vibrant colors are truly awe-inspiring. 5. Great Barrier Reef, Australia, host with footage of the Great Barrier Reef. Off the coast of Australia, the Great Barrier Reef is the world's largest coral reef system. Home to diverse marine life, it's a paradise for divers and can even be seen from space. 6. Christ the Redeemer, Brazil, host with footage of Christ the Redeemer. Overlooking Rio de Janeiro, Christ the Redeemer stands 98 feet tall atop Mount Corcovado. This iconic statue is a symbol of Christianity and offers panoramic views of the city. 7. Stonehenge, England, host with footage of Stonehenge. Stonehenge in England is a prehistoric monument shrouded in mystery. Comprising a ring of standing stones, its exact purpose remains unknown, adding to its allure. 8. Taj Mahal, India, host with footage of the Taj Mahal. In India, the Taj Mahal is a stunning white marble mausoleum built by Emperor Shah Jahan in memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. It's a symbol of eternal love and architectural beauty. 9. Mount Everest, Nepal, China, host with footage of Mount Everest. Mount Everest, the highest mountain in the world, stands at 29,032 feet. Climbing it is a monumental achievement, making it a dream for adventurers and mountaineers. 10. Galapagos Islands, Ecuador, host with footage of the Galapagos Islands. Lastly, the Galapagos Islands in Ecuador are famous for their unique wildlife and role in Charles Darwin's theory of evolution. The islands offer incredible biodiversity and pristine natural environments. And there you have it, the top 10 miracles around the world. Each of these sites showcases the incredible beauty and diversity of our planet. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, happy exploring.